How to fix something went wrong on Facebook Messenger. Hi guys, so first thing you want to do is go to the settings and then open the apps manager as you can see right here. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So what you want to do is wait a few seconds, and after that scroll until you find Messenger. Click on Facebook Messenger right here and then click on force stop. When you click on force stop, the app is gonna be stopped. And then click on storage, click on clear the data and clear cache. After that, go back again and now click on data usage. Make sure that all these four options are enabled exactly like that. Go back to the settings on your phone, open the wireless add networks, and now enable the airplane mode for 7 seconds exactly, and after that disable it, and then open the Play Store or the App Store. If you have iPhone, search for Messenger, and right here you will find an update option. Click on it. I'm already updated my Messenger, that's why I can't see the update option here. Don't forget to like, subscribe.